Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue on assessment under section 153A and 153C. Although the assessments under these two sections were applicable for all the searches which were done before 1st April 2021, but a number of matters which are going into litigation for all the assessments which have been completed under those sections are at different forums. So this case becomes very important in understanding the concept that what documents department can use as incriminating material in the assessment under section 153A and 153C. This issue has been taken by Chandigarh ITAT A bench in the case of Khanna Infrabuild Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 110 ITR Tribunal at page number 161, and the date of the judgment is 12th October 2023. As all we know that before 1st April 2021, all those searches which were done before 1st April 2021, the assessment is to be done under section 153A for those assessees on whom the search has been made, and under section 153C for those assessees whose documents are found in the search of the other person. But one thing was very clear, that if the assessment is to be done under section 153A, then only those documents can be relied which have been found as incriminating material in the search of that assessee. If the revenue wants to rely on the incriminating material which has been found in the search of the other assessee, then the revenue has to do the assessment under section 153C. In the present case, first of all, a search was made on R. Some incriminating material regarding cash payment for the construction was found relating to some other assessees whose matter is being discussed in this case, that is Khanna Infrabuild Private Limited. After that, on the basis of those documents, a search was also made in the premises of the assessee whose matter is being discussed, that is Khanna Infrabuild Private Limited, and in that search no incriminating material was found related to the cash payment for the construction. So it was clear that whatever the incriminating material which was found in the search of R and which was not found in the search of the assessee cannot be used against the assessee under section 153A if the revenue wants to make or rely on those documents which have been found in the search of R. That can be done only under the assessment under section 153C. But the revenue referred the matter to the DVO on the basis of the incriminating material which have been found in the search of R, which the assessee challenged, but the AO did not entertain the submissions of the assessee. Additions were made. CIT appeal upheld the order of the AO, and when this matter was before the tribunal said that in the present case, although the DVO report which has been sought by the revenue is purely based on estimation and there was no assessment pending which got abated into the assessment under section 153A, so in the present case the assessment cannot be made on the basis of DVO report, which is again based on the incriminating material which has been found in the search of the other assessee. So if the revenue wants to rely on those documents and want to trigger the devaluation, department valuation report, that can be done only by doing the assessment under section 153C. Since the assessment has been done under section 153A, so those incriminating material which has been found in the search of the other person cannot be relied on. Friends, this case is very important. This case is a little bit technical also. but this helps in solving the issues which are being there, whether under section 153A assessment or 153C assessment. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Khanna Infrabuild Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 110 ITR Tribunal at page number 161. The matter has been decided by Chandigarh ITAT A bench, and the date of the judgment is 12th October 2023. Thank you, friends.